So me and Hudson are driving into Clark's school to help hide some Easter eggs and then watch him do his little Easter egg. Say hi, Hudson. Say hooty hoo. So say tick 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 tick. Hoo hoo hoo.
Drinking a German beer with a Cuban cigar in the middle of Paris with a Dominican bar.
Thank you, Clark. Thank you, Clark.
What do you got in there?
Play-Doh!
Here.
What? Another stretchy guy? Wow. This is hilarious. Whoa, look, Goons and Gizmo.
How cute! There has to be a family member because seriously. Those are beautiful. Want to get your ink out?
Look at golden cup. Golden cup.
They're gone. They're off.
Okay, ready? Let's get some eggs. Where's all the eggs? Ready? Dump out the eggs.
Another one?
Whoa!
I got another one. What was that? What was that for? $1.
Whoa!
And eggs and a Look it.
Uh-oh. Whoa!
Excuse me.
It's a frenzy.
Easter, Cameron. No, Dad doesn't.
Ooh, what you got? Yeah.
Look, I got Star Wars next and Minion.